Hi everyone. Do you have unread emails in your inbox? I have some old unread emails, but I cannot see them because I have over 2000 emails in my inbox. Today I will show you easy ways to find them. Method number 1 is using the search box. Go to the top and type is colon unread and press the enter button. Now, Gmail shows all unread emails you have, no matter how old it is. And if you want to see unread emails in your inbox only, then type is colon unread space in colon inbox and press enter. Now the list is even better. Method number 2 is changing your view. Click the settings icon at the top right. Look for inbox type. Select the option called Unread First and you will see the change. That is how you can clean up your inbox in seconds. I hope this video helps you stay organized. If you liked this tip, please subscribe the channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.